Morning everyone. I'm here to show you what Rosa sent me, and it's Color Explosion by Rosa, and she sent me this package, and I haven't opened it up. I just opened the box. Get it all out, and she sent a card. And beautiful R. I love that type of font. Isn't that pretty? R for Rosa. And was thinking of you. Hope all the clay pieces arrive whole. The others are made of Utee. Much love, Rosa. I hope I said that right. The first thing she sent was this beautiful fabric. It's a fat quarter. I love the linen, the old linen look. She sent 2 pieces of those. I'll make some pockets out of those. And this beautiful silver fabric. Isn't that pretty? I love the swirls. And a pink one. Yep, I'm going to make some pockets out of these. I can get maybe 8, I hope. And then let's see what's in here. And Rosa, I have a package getting ready for you to come out. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to get it finished and get it mailed out by Wednesday. I've lost my scissors. Let's see if I can do it this way. Shame on me for using my pinking shears. Don't look. Don't tell my mom. She'd be on me. She's using pretty good tape here. That's okay, Rosa. I'll get even. No, I'm just teasing. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at these. I've never seen anything like this. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Look at that color. And some beautiful leaves. Oh, these feel so cool. Beautiful. That color. Oh, I can't wait to use these. So very pretty. I love those. And these were the Utee, I think is what you said? Gonna have to tell me what that is because I don't know. And then she has sent some clay leaves for me to decorate. Those pretty. Sent a bunch of those, 8 of those, and some more roses. Gorgeous. I love these. Are these clay or it looks like clay. Thank you so much, Rosa. Is it pretty? Now, Rosa, I'm going to enter you in my challenge. You've made these and it qualifies, so I'm going to enter you the challenge. Let me get these all put back here so they don't get broke. And I've never seen anything like this, and they're really smooth. String hanging on me. Those are so cool. Thank you so much, Rosa. Love them. So Rosa, you got let's see, 6 points. 6 points for Rosa. Now if you do a VR, I'll give you 10 more points. Thank you so very much. Okay, I've got one more challenge entry, and then I've got quite a big haul coming up. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you all. Remember, thumbs up, share, like, comment, and turn off the news, turn on the music, and dance a little. And it'll be all right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.